The trial of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is currently taking place, and soon we will have a verdict on who is the liar in their relationship. As of now, the public is standing behind Johnny Depp and is convinced that Amber is a liar. But what would happen if things go the other way and Depp is the one found guilty? Let's get into the top 10 things that will happen if Johnny Depp loses in court. In at number 10, Blacklisted from Hollywood. As of now, Johnny Depp has technically been blacklisted from Hollywood, as he's been fired from a number of projects in light of the Amber Heard allegations. However, through all his firings in Hollywood, his fans have still had his back, and he's been supported throughout it. However, if it's found that Heard is innocent and Depp is guilty of harming her, we might start to see fans turn on him as well as Hollywood. If he loses, it would not be hard to think he would never get cast in a movie again, because most studios wouldn't want to deal with all the negative press that would come from it. He might even have some of his past awards revoked or banned from award shows in the future like Will Smith. And at number 9, Amber will get movie roles. With all the press that's been surrounding her name, if she is found innocent, movie studios will be fighting for the chance to make her the lead in their movies. Think about how much money her first acting role back would make. Since the trials have started to go viral in the media, Heard has not had any new movies in the works, most likely since her casting in Aquaman 2 got a very negative reaction. After the casting news was announced, a petition for her to be dropped from the movie went viral and reached over 1 million signatures. But obviously if she were innocent, those petitions would go away and her career would be able to go back to how it was before this fiasco. And at number 8, Depp will have to pay up. In the current trial, Depp is suing Heard for defamation, seeking $50 million in damages. Heard then decided to countersue and is seeking $100 million in damages from Johnny. Heard's lawyers tried to get Depp's defamation suit dismissed after he lost the UK libel case against The Sun, but a judge refused, citing differences in UK and US defamation laws. Also, Heard was not a defendant in that case, so her statements were not able to be refuted in the same way. Heard believes Depp defamed her when his legal team referred to her claims as fake and a hoax. Because Heard's op-ed was published in the Washington Post, the trial is taking place in Fairfax, Virginia, where the newspaper is printed. We can assume Heard would not receive $100 million, because I doubt it could be argued that she lost that much money from the claims, but I'm sure she will get a massive chunk of change if she wins, something in the tens of millions of dollars. And at number 7, Depp will appeal. Even if Depp loses, it doesn't mean his case is completely over, as he will have the opportunity to appeal the decision and take it to a higher court. Some lawyers already think this might be the case, because it's going to be very hard for Depp to prove defamation. A lawyer that spoke to People about the case said, quote, "In terms of the trial in Virginia right now, I think Johnny Depp has an uphill battle. Defamation is very hard to prove. First and foremost, truth is an absolute defense to any defamatory statement. So regardless of the alleged defamatory statement, if a defendant can establish that it is true, the defense is going to win." The lawyer also pointed out that since Heard never said Depp's name in this piece or gave specific details, it's harder to prove that she was lying. Since Depp already lost his case against The Sun, this case might not be the slam dunk his fans think it is. And at number 6, Depp fans will riot. Johnny Depp's fans have believed him since day one, and each time it's proven that Amber is a liar, his fan base gets even stronger. It's to the point that even celebrities have supported him, with singer Sia and model Ireland Baldwin sharing that they believe Amber is lying about everything. The hashtag Justice for Johnny is going viral online, and it seems that everywhere you look, Amber Heard is getting called a liar. The petition to have Amber Heard from Aquaman 2 also just reached a whopping 2 million signatures, getting a huge spike during the trial. So clearly the public is rallying around Depp and wants Amber to pay up. So if that does not happen, who knows the kinds of public outcry that we'll see. There's a chance there could even be riots around the courthouse. Halfway number 5, Depp will go bankrupt. Like I said before, Heard is countersuing Depp for defamation, asking for $100 million. And even though there's almost no chance that he will have to pay her that amount if she wins, there is a chance the number could be very high. Celebrity Net Worth states that Depp currently has a net worth of $100 million, the exact amount that Heard is asking for. So on the incredibly rare chance that Heard wins the complete amount, Johnny could go bankrupt. I'm not sure what the protocol would be if Depp is not able to pay, but I assume Heard would gain access to some of his assets as some sort of collateral. Let me know below if you know the answer to that. And at number 4, lose celebrity friends. Many celebrities have actively supported Johnny Depp in the past, telling the public how good of a man that he is. Some of these celebrities include Winona Ryder, Javier Bardem, Penelope Cruz, and Paul Bettany. But after a potentially guilty verdict, there is a chance that celebrity friends will turn their backs on him. Maybe they will think differently of the star, or maybe it will be bad for their careers to be associated with him, so they'll decide to cut him off. And at number 3, he could go to jail. The case right now between Heard and Depp is a civil case where they're both suing for defamation. The state is not involved involved in it whatsoever. But if it's proven that Johnny Depp did harm Amber Heard, which is of course illegal, there is a chance the state could start a criminal trial against him and put him behind bars. If Johnny is charged and convicted of domestic battery, he will be required to pay a fine of $2,000 and or serve a prison sentence in county jail for up to 1 year. This could open Depp up to not only other lawsuits, but other legal charges. And at number 2, lay low. If Johnny does lose the trial, I think there's 2 ways it could potentially go. Either he'll get out in front of the public and go on every TV program to tell them why he is innocent, or he will lay low and become a recluse. It seems that Johnny has never loved the fame of being an actor, rather he loves the artistic part of the job. That's why if things don't go his way, I assume he will get out of the public eye and stop anything that has to do with the public. Depp has revealed in the past that he hates being famous, and it even makes him feel like a fugitive. In one interview he said fame is, quote, a little bit like living like a fugitive. Everything has to be some sort of strategy. To get you into the hotel, to get you out of the hotel, to get you into the restaurant, to get you out of the restaurant. Depp says that he of course is honored to have fans, but admitted that if he could be an actor without the aspect of fame, he would much prefer that. And finally at number 1, the public will apologize. If Depp is found guilty and Heard is found innocent, the public and the media will have to apologize to Amber Heard. Even though the verdict might not change how people think about the couple's strained relationship, we will all be forced to accept the legal process. I'm not sure we have any precedent in Hollywood of someone who has been proven innocent after a scandal like this, but I think it will be a strange transition for everyone to accept that Heard won this legal battle. As of now, Johnny has won the case in the court of public opinion, and that is very valuable because public opinion might be even more important than what the law decides. Although since so much has come out about Amber, it's clear the public will most likely never trust her again. Like when it comes to the poop in the bed saga, the only person that it makes a little bit of sense to be responsible is Amber. And even if she wins, the public won't be able to forget that she might have been responsible for that. Also, it's been proven that Amber has gotten physical with other partners in the past, so that history of violence will not be forgotten. Alrighty guys, that's all for the list, but before I go, I'm going to shout out some comments from celebrities supporting Amber Heard in court. Cynthia said, I don't think having James Franco as a witness is a good thing since the stuff that came out about him, but I don't know, whatever floats their boat. Yeah, clearly her legal team is just, grasping at straws. They'll take whatever they can get. I don't really know what he can prove. I think for him they're just trying to prove that he saw bruises on her face when they met up. And if he denies that, then she's gonna be in a lot of trouble. And Amber Lance said, the irony, the story is so wild it might end up getting made into a movie. That is pretty crazy. Actors are going to be played by other actors. But what are the odds that the actors could actually play themselves? Like James Franco plays himself in the upcoming movie. That would be insane. RWB said, not a great selection of personalities I'd be asking to vouch for me, but I guess the options are limited for her. Extremely limited, but I'm surprised she even has that many people that are willing to vouch for her. Very interested to see what they say in court. Then someone else said, whoever supports Amber Heard, I'm not a fan of that person. Could not agree more. Alright guys, that is all for the video today. I've been your host Mackenzie Smith, and we'll catch you in the next one.